Witam again for another episode. This time I'm doing something Italian. It's hot, so I said let's make some pasta and make some nice pesto. So it's pesto alla Genovese, how I know it. Let's begin. So first things first, my mortar and pestle. I like to use the mortar instead of a conventional blender, because that's how it should be made. That's my opinion. So let's start with a half cup of pine nuts, a handful of fresh basil, chopped, and around a couple of leaves of fresh spinach. Around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using a coarse salt from Malta, and garlic. Around 2 cloves of garlic. And after you crush all the pine nuts, the basil, the spinach and the little salt, now we move them to another bowl. We add 40 grams parmesan cheese and 40 grams pecorino romano. With it, we add around 80 grams of melted butter, soft melted butter. And now we add around half cup of olive oil. Some fresh pepper to taste. Now we mix with some nice pasta like penne. We'll boil some and show you the presentation. Now that we have the pasta, we mix our pesto alla Genovese inside. Okay, let's have a plate for ourselves now and see how it came. Smells divine. So, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and like. We'll see you in another video. Do zobaczenia.